against, 25 abstentions. Having failed to obtain the required 2/3 majority, draft amendment A/ES10/L29 is not adopted. Since draft amendments A/ES10/L28 and A/ES10/L29 were not adopted, we shall proceed to take action on draft resolution A/ES10/L27. The Assembly will now take a decision on draft resolution A/ES10/L27 entitled Protection of Civilians and Upholding Legal and Humanitarian Obligations. A recorded vote has been requested. We shall now begin the voting process. Those in favor of draft resolution A/ES10/L27, please signify. Those against, and abstentions.
The General Assembly is now voting on draft resolution A/ES10/L27 entitled Protection of Civilians and Upholding Legal and Humanitarian Obligations. Will all delegations confirm that their votes are correctly reflected on the screen? The voting has been completed, and please lock the machine.